Good morning. This is Diana Eslin, Guaranty RV in Junction City. Just want to let you know we have a 2020 Eclipse Attitude. It's a 20 FBG. Come on in, let's check it out. So here we have brand new 2020 with two swivel chairs, nice little dinette area here. We have the bunk, slides up and down. The fold-out bed with the nice little dinette that's removable to put all your toys in here. We have a nice kitchen with a big sink and a residential faucet. Lots and lots and lots of storage here, so you could go out, go camping and take all your toys. Place for your spices and such. This has an oven, so you could cook some pies. 3-burner stove and a high point microwave and oven with an exhaust fan. Cute little combo fridge. This will use electric and LP. This is the easy to get to the bed with the privacy curtains, and the restroom is right in here. This has porcelain on the tank. Very nice, high, tall shower, so if you're tall, we won't have any problems there. Some tie downs for your toys, your furnace, and we have your stereo here and your cable output, and this is ready to roll with all your toys. So here we have a power awning and nice large tailgate to get in with all your toys, easy to open and close. Life's an adventure. Take yours with an attitude. That's the way it goes around here. This is one of our most popular units. Just came in, brand new. Come and check it out. My name's Diana. Ask for me. If you want to see this rig or any other rigs, just let me know. Diana Eslin, Guaranty RV. Have a great day.